Greetings, it's your girl Franz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and simple cold treat perfect for the summer or just for those hot days. Our recipe for today is only 3 ingredients and it's super quick to make. Without further ado, I'll be showing you how to make avocado ice cream. If you want to follow along, the ingredients will be listed down below. For the first step, we'll be cutting up our avocados. I have 2 avocados here and I'm going to cut it like I would normally cut an avocado. You can cut the avocado however you would like it, but I'll cut it into small little cubes so that it blends fast. I'll take off this skin as best as I can. Don't forget to wash your hands when doing this. Just continue to take off the skin. Oh. Trying my best to take it off. And then I'm going to do the second avocado. Avocados are such an amazing fruit and they are super delicious. Ooh, that's very nice. Didn't have to do too much effort for that one. Okay. I'm gonna move that to the side. And I'm going to take my avocado and kind of cut it like you would a mango. And just kind of do the dicing motion. The dicing motion. It's just kind of like crisscross little squares. Okay, so here I have my blender and I'm going to take my avocados and I'm going to just scrape it. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but I'm going to take the avocados and separate it from the skin and place it into our blender straight on. Okay, so for the next step, I'll be putting in cream. It would be preferable if you use whipping cream. And if you are going to use whipping cream, do whip it first in the blender before you put in the avocado so that it has more of an ice cream texture. But because I couldn't find any whipping cream, I'll just be using regular heavy cream. For this, it won't end up whipping up, so that will make my ice cream kind of have a denser texture instead more of a ice creamy, like that puffy, that soft texture. So yes, just a reminder on that. Now I'm going to take some condensed milk. The amount can vary to however sweet you would like it, but I'm going to start off with 1/8 of a cup. I'm not gonna put the full cup in though. There's going to be some residue on the cup. And then I'm just going to cover that and then blend it. With this avocado, you can taste it little by little and add little by little bit of condensed milk because the sweetness may vary with people and, you know, different tastes, different sweetnesses. So I'm just going to add a bit more, maybe another 1/8 cup, or actually no, a little bit less. I don't want it to be too sweet since the avocado I have is already slightly sweet. And then I'm just gonna blend that again. If you're thinking about making this, I would recommend instead of sugar to use liquid sugars, sort of like condensed milk, honeys, instead of like the solid white sugar, because white sugar like that will end up crystallizing the entire thing and it won't have that creamy texture. It will kind of be grainy and kind of like hard like ice. It will have it won't be creamy there. It will be very yeah, it's just crystallized, literally. It looks so creamy and I am going to try it one more time to see if the flavor is good enough. This was super fast and easy to make. It only took 3 ingredients and only a few minutes. But instead of making ice cream, if you want, you can put in some ice and then blend it with the rest of this liquid and then just turn it into a shake. It's super fast, super easy, and super delicious. But if you're willing to go the extra mile, we are going to put this into a container and freeze it in the freezer. It looks so creamy. It already looks like ice cream, honestly. It's just not cold. If you want, you can just place this in the fridge and make it kind of be like a super soft melted ice cream, but I want it to be kind of frozen, so I'm gonna be placing it into the freezer. Trying my best to get everything from there. If I can't, then I'm probably just going to eat it later on. Or my mom would. She loves avocados. Now I'm going to just shake it to kind of flatten it a bit. Just to flatten it so that all of the corners are kind of filled. And then now I'm going to cover it and then place it into the freezer. See you guys in a bit. I pre-made a batch of this avocado ice cream last night and I'm so excited to try it. Okay, cheers! It's better than I expected. The ice cream is super soft, softer than I expected also because it was kind of rock hard earlier. The flavor is so good. You can really taste that fresh avocado flavor, but you can also taste that nice little hint of condensed milk that kind of just sweetens it up and makes it more and more refreshing instead of just using regular sugar. It is so good. Cheers! Cold! I'll just be licking this. You should definitely try this. It's not expensive, it's super easy to make, and it's super fast. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video to your friends, and comment down below what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages at Franz Gabriel. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Franz Gabriel. See you guys in my next video.